So we'll take, for example, a two-step equation like this. And we're going to show our steps as transformations. Okay, so who can raise their hand and tell me what's the first thing we have to do? Yes. Get rid of the constant. And I like that. In this case, it's -7. So let's do the opposite. So we're going to get 2/3 x. Just bring that down for our next step. Of course, the opposites being combined become 0, so you just cross it out. And over here, what do we get? 2 or -2? 2. Okay. And now, since we all said we're comfortable with it, our next step is to multiply by the reciprocal, 3/2. And what's going to happen here on the left side, remember cross canceling? Well, the 3's, one's in the numerator, one's in the denominator. They cancel to 1. Same thing with 2's. And I basically get 1x. And 1x is just x. And on the other side, we can cross cancel 2's. And my answer here is, 3 1's, which becomes 3. And remembering that if we ever need to check, you can go back, multiply 2/3 with 3, that becomes 2, right? 2/3 of 2 is 2. And that would give you 2 take away 7, which actually turned out to be -5. Okay, let's do a few more. Number 2. 7/3 is the same as 9/10 x plus 19. Okay.
73.
Yes. So I'm going to do one thing.
You put 7/3 because you said 7/3.
Oh, 73. I'm sorry. I meant 73. Let's turn this around. This is good practice for when we come back from break and we're going to be working with inequality. So they won't have equal signs. They'll have less than, greater than, or equal to. Let's turn this around. Let's turn this into, well, if I flip it around, what's my equation then?
9/10 x plus 19 equals 73.
Now, the only difference when we have inequalities, say we have one that's a greater than, that's going like this. When we turn it around, it would become a less than. Okay, let's get rid of our constant. So we'll put -73 there. We get 9/10 x equals, what's this going to be? 54. And let's go ahead and multiply by 10/9, the reciprocal, yes. And can I make one recommendation? Let's divide first. In other words, let's figure out how many 9s are in 54.
6.
Yeah. And then our answer is going to be 60. And 9 into 54 is 6. 6 times 10 is 60. All right, so we got 60 as the answer here. Okay. Couple more and then we're done. Number 3. Negative 54x is minus 4. Not equal to, sorry. Minus 4 is equal to 16. Okay. Let's get rid of minus 4. Negative 5/4 x equals 20. Okay, so now we just need the reciprocal of negative 5/4.
Negative 4/5.
Negative 4/5. It's also negative, so. And of course, cross cancel everything out there. Multiply by negative 4/5 here. And again, you can divide, then multiply. So that would be 5 into 20 is 4. Negative 16. Okay. Negative 32 is the same as negative 20 plus 6/7 x. Okay. So do you want to flip this around or work with it this way? Let's flip it. It's an easy fix. So let's do 6/7 x. That's positive. So there it is. Take away 20 equals negative 32. If we turn it around, we can rewrite it this way. Okay. And let's get rid of 20. Okay. How much is that?
Negative 14. Wait. Sorry, there's 12.
Oh, right. Okay. Well, I'm still not there, so help me out here.
Yeah.
Negative 12. But you're telling me it's going to be negative 14 when we do this?
Yes.
Sounds valid to me because 6 into negative 12 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 7 is
Negative 14.
negative 14.
ISO.
I have a worksheet. Papel. So here's the catch. I need you to show these transformation steps. Okay, so it's very similar to what we did yesterday. All right, there's two word problems at the bottom. Just basically rewrite this situation into an equation, and you'll solve it. That will answer the question and also tell you what to fill in.
Wait, what are the like two-step equation assignments on school?
Hmm?
There are two-step equation assignments on school.
Yeah, let's take a look.